So look, I'm not gonna act like I'm some quantum physicist. I'm not gonna act like I just understand everything. But I do understand this one thing that a lot of people are seeming to miss. Quantum physics, right? Yeah, it's actually kind of wacky and weird and kind of crazy, but not for a lot of the reasons that people think that it actually is. You see, people see the whole double slit experiment, right? And they're like, oh my God, it's a particle in a wave, but then you observe it becomes a particle in this position, right? That only seems crazy because, yeah, you first learned physics that told you this particle is right here, but then you go to quantum physics that says it's everywhere. But the thing is, if you just go to quantum physics first, and then you lead it into physics, you just simply see this is how things manifest. So yeah, it starts off as everything, and then it becomes this thing, That's why it's not really like that crazy. What also isn't that crazy is superpositions because it kind of comes from the same principle. You feel me? When it says that before something happens, it happened. It also didn't happen. Like if a fucking tree fell, it fell. It also didn't fall. Type shit. You feel me? But once you see the tree, nigga, it fell. So yeah, before it fell, it was in a superposition of not falling and falling. But the shit still fell. That comes from the Schrodinger's cat experiment, where it's like, you feel me? They kill the cat, but there's one reality where the cat dies, and the other reality the cat don't die. You feel me? It only seems crazy because you're looking at the quantum physics first. But when you lead it up into seeing what actually happens at the end, the cat will either be dead or alive. It's not going to be in a superposition at all. You feel me? You're not just going to see two fucking cats. So it's like, yeah, it's kind of crazy. And there are benefits from understanding that, because once you understand that, that means that if you apply this whole manifestation shit and spirituality to this shit, right, that means that if you go to the quantum realm first, right, where all possibilities exist, right, you can start. You have what seems like more of a choice as to what can manifest. Because right now, right, you're looking at a physical reality, you're seeing how things manifested right now, right? However, things are going on in the quantum realm that will eventually manifest inside your reality, and the quantum realm is within inside of you. So if you understand this principle, right, you don't wait for the physics of your reality to fucking happen, and then you start seeing things manifest super physically at first. You start going within and see how things manifest within inside that way first, and then you have more control, quote unquote, over what you will manifest. And I put the quotes there because the things that pop up and the ideas that you get, right, can be seen as, in a way, predetermined, like it was already gonna happen. This is the whole non-dual philosophy in Buddhism and my philosophy, and also the whole scientific thing of predeterminism, that everything's already predetermined and that you technically don't have free will. You feel me? But it's like, and if you, depending on how you want to look at it, that's actually true. You only have free will when you identify with the intellect and the character that you are. But as one knows, we're not the character or the intellect, we're just the awareness. You feel me? And when you become the awareness that observes everything, you technically don't have free will, because your intellect is just thinking. Whatever pops up was already gonna pop up before. And we could get, if I could talk deep about that in a later video. I'm just gonna leave it at that. But yeah, you see, so like certain things are kind of crazy, right? But it's like a lot of shit that we think is crazy is not that crazy. Like the whole wave and particle shit, double slit experiment, is not that fucking crazy. Yeah, it's a wave and a particle at the same time, right? But when you actually see it manifest, it just becomes one thing. It's not a wave and a particle once it actually manifests. You feel me? It's just that before it manifests physically, you see it as everything. So yeah, like that's all. And now that we know that, we could go inside of ourselves and see, okay, my nigga, what the fuck are we about to manifest on a quantum level? What's going on in the quantum level that's about to manifest physically inside this physical level with physics? You feel me? And yeah, I'm about to end it here. Peace.